Welcome back. Ramnam was celebrated in the state with pomp and gaiety. Lord Rama was born on the 9th day of the Chaitra, that is the first month of Hindu calendar.
At 12 noon, the idol of Lord Rama is put in a cradle. That is when people celebrate the birth of hero of Ramayana. It is one of the main festivals in Goa. Ramnam is celebrated in all corners of Goa. On the eve of Ramnam, a procession was carried by Banjara Samaj in Vasco at Zuari Nagar. Banjaras have been carrying this procession from past 30 years. Swamiji of Banjara Samaj, Sri Somling Mahaswamiji, is being taken in procession from past 19 years. Women as well as girls participate in this procession with Kalash and Aarti. Banjaras in procession perform various cultural programs like Banjara dance, lejim and much more. Our reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkekar, and from Ponda, Vivek Prabhu.
Coming October, Goa will host an international one-day match between India and Australia or Sri Lanka at Nehru Stadium, Fatorda. Goa Cricket Association has also planned various activities to promote cricket in remote areas and at sub-junior level. According to Dayanand Narvekar, GCA will launch the first cricket summer camp for under 12 from Monday.
Goa will host an international one-day in coming October. India will play either with Australia or Sri Lanka.
We might have either Sri Lanka or Australia match, which is due somewhere in October. One match gives SAG around 25 lakhs to 30 lakhs. I am sorry, these football matches don't give them 5 lakh rupees a year. You can see though they use the stadium extensively for a year, unfortunately the income in SAG is hardly 5 lakhs or something.
Coaching camps will be held at remote places in Goa.
For the first time, a scientific coaching will be held in a place known as Mashe, then Kutsade, then a remote place like Aldona, Shapora, Pedne side, which are all the lists are given. So they will be assisted by one SAG coach and another player from Goa Cricket Association. One will be under 12, one will be under 14, and one women's team, as and when they take help of this coaching camp. This coaching camp is not for GCA players who are playing for Goa Cricket Association. This camp is free for everybody and anybody who would like to have a specialized coaching in this summer.
Our reporter from Panji, Manoj Arolkar and Yashwant Parab.
Vasco Sports Club registered a stupendous victory over Naveli Villagers in the GFA Women's League 2008-2009 at Tilak Maidan in Vasco. Vasco girls won by a 13-0 goal margin.
Spirited Vasco Sports Club headed by Captain Memol Rocky was in charge of the match right from the beginning. In the first half itself, Vasco was cruising safe with 4 goals in their kitty. After the second half, Vasco scored more 9 goals, making it impossible for Navelim Villagers to come back in the game. Blanca Barreto scored 4 goals and Sharon Fernandez 3 goals, thus proving to be the top scorer for Vasco Sports Club. Sujita Murgaonkar, Remediana Norona, Stacey Cardoz, Gracie Rodrigues and Percy Faria also contributed to the winning team. Vasco triumphed over Navelim with 13-1 goals. Our reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
And with this, we come to an end of this bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.